So I've wanted a breast augmentation for as long as I can remember. I always had a pretty significant size difference between my two breasts, and I was always pretty self-conscious about that. I actually started working for Dr. Tyrone about 8 or 9 years ago, and so I became very comfortable with him and seeing his patients come in and out, and they were always thrilled. I would say his success rate was probably 100%. Everybody is very happy. So I became pretty comfortable with the idea of getting an augmentation, and I worked up the courage to ask him what he thought about that, and we had a consultation and went from there. Before I worked here, I definitely looked online just to kind of see what was out there, but since I was employed here, it never crossed my mind to visit any other physicians. I had the utmost trust and respect for Dr. Tyrone, and I was very comfortable with him. Post-op was great. I was a little sore, but pretty much everything that he told me to expect was dead on. He gave me a very realistic expectation. A little sore and a little tired for maybe 5 or so days, but other than that, it was great. Getting my stitches out was no issue at all. And if I ever did have questions, the staff was excellent and answered those for me. I've been thrilled since my procedure. It's definitely boosted my confidence. I feel more comfortable wearing all different types of outfits, and like I had mentioned before, I had a significant size difference, so I was always self-conscious in a bathing suit or tank tops. Since the procedure, my confidence has skyrocketed. I had pretty small breasts, so I feel like my augmentation looks really natural and is really proportionate. Come in for the consult. You can only find so much information out on the internet, but you really get that helpful info when you come in and you meet with Dr. Tyrone. Every body is different, so he can take a look, see where you're starting from. You guys can talk about where you want to get to, and then talk about what you need to do to make that happen and get a game plan. So the internet is great, but nothing beats coming in for a live consultation.